Amaze, the total solar eclipse amazed millions of people around the world. Amazing, the progress in AI development is amazing. Be amazed at. Many were amazed at the 3D printed food technology. Crop, the wheat crop in Ukraine has been greatly affected by the war. Influence, the wars in Ukraine and Israel have had a significant influence on global politics. Have an influence on AI development has had a profound influence on various industries. Influence, recent earthquakes in Taiwan influenced the agricultural sector. Influential, he is an influential figure in the field of AI research. Mankind, the words remind us of the destructive nature of mankind's conflicts. Human being, the earthquakes in Taiwan have shown the resilience of human beings. Humanity, the conflicts highlight the need for compassion and understanding in humanity. Significance, the total solar eclipse hold great significance for astronomers. Significant, the development of AI has had a significant impact on various industries. Significantly, the earthquakes significantly affect the region's infrastructure. infrastructure. Insignificant. Some people consider the AI development to be insignificant compared to other global issues. Importance. The importance of renewable energy sources is increasingly recognized. It is important to conduct thorough research before making decisions. Unimportant. Some people argue that the issue is unimportant compared to other global challenges. Wheat. The war has disrupted the wheat harvest in the region. Sauce. The new sauce recipe uses locally sourced ingredients. Climate. The changing climate patterns have led to the unpredictable weather. Saucer. She placed a cup of the saucer next to her. Means. One means to reduce carbon emissions is to use renewable energy. By all means. If you have any questions, ask the instructor by all means. By no means. The new policy is by no means perfect, but it's a step in the right direction. Under no circumstances. Under no circumstances should you give up your personal information to strangers. Namely, there are several countries involved, namely Russia and China. Proof. Recent studies have proven that the vaccine is effective against the virus. Proof. The data provides proof that the theory is correct. Proven. The new treatment has been proven to be effective. Value. It's important to value the opinions of others. Valuable. The experience gained from volunteering is valuable for personal growth. Invaluable. Her guidance throughout the project has been invaluable to us. Priceless. The support of friends and family is priceless during difficult times. Undervalue. It's easy to undervalue the importance of mental health. Some people tend to overvalue. Some people tend to overvalue their own opinions. Core values. The company's core values include integrity and teamwork. Play great value, emphasis, stress. The school places great value, emphasis, stress on character education. Protein. Vegetarians often look for alternative sources of protein in their diet. Some minerals are essential for maintaining good health. Vitamin. It's important to get enough vitamins through diet or supplement. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. Athletes need to consume enough carbohydrates for energy. Fiber. A diet rich in fiber is important for digestive health. Nutrient. Nutrient. Fruits and vegetables are rich in essential nutrients. Nutrition. Proper nutrition is essential for overall health. Nutritious. A balanced diet should include a variety of nutritious foods. Basis. The decision was made on a regular basis after careful consideration. On a regular basis. He exercised on a regular basis to stay healthy. On the basis of the report was written on the basis of the latest research findings. Base. The company's decision was based on market research. Basic knowledge of computer programming is required for this job. Basically, the system works by converting sunlight into electricity. Increase. There has been an increase in demand for renewable energy sources. The company plans to increase its production capacity next year. Increasing. There is an increasing demand for skilled workers in the industry. Increasingly, the use of AI is increasingly common in various industries. Decrease in. There has been a significant decrease in air pollution levels. Decrease. The company plans to decrease its carbon emissions by 20% next year. Decreasingly, the price of solar panels have been decreasingly due to advances in technology. Decreasingly, the use of fossil fuels is decreasing common as renewable energy sources become more popular. Diet. A balanced diet is essential for good health. Diet. She decided to diet in order to lose weight. Be on a diet. He's on a diet to improve his health. Dietary. It's important to have a balanced dietary intake. Fast. Some people choose to fast for religious reasons. Delicious. The restaurant is known for its delicious seafood dishes. Tasty. The soup was tasty and flavorful. Vegan. She has been a vegan for several years now. Vegetarian. The restaurant offers a variety of vegetarian options. Vegetation. The vegetation in the region has been affected by the drought. Distinguish. It can be difficult to distinguish between the two species. Distinguished. He is a distinguished scientist known for his groundbreaking research. Is indistinguishable. The two products are almost indistinguishable in terms of quality. They have the same quality.